Hello everyone, we are a team from Georgia named Quartz X, and in the last 48 hours we had a lot of ideas on what to make, and we have come across on one major problem, which is that people cannot focus on one thing for a pretty long time. In order to fix that problem, we have decided to make a game to show people the importance of brain focus. To make this game happen, we used Python and we used the real-time streaming with PyLSL, and we wrote the actual game logic with Pygame. As you can see in the game, this is the main menu. You can choose the level, and each game teaches you different kinds of focus. The shooting game teaches you to become focused as soon as possible and stay that way. And in the end, it shows you the actual chart of how focused you were in a different timeline. The second game, actually, we had to connect two different unicorn devices to the same computer to get the information from both of them at the same time, which was pretty hard to find on how to do, but we did a pretty good job. On the third game, as you can see, it teaches you a different way of focus, and its whole logic is to stay focused as long as possible, because if you don't, the bar goes down and you cannot win the game. As for us, we are Sotne, Mariam, and Levan. We are computer engineering students, and we have a lot of experience in programming. We are really thankful to have this opportunity, and we really hope that we will have the chance to work with it in the future. Thank you very much, and goodbye.